morning. We are going to take a quick stroll around Beach Club this morning. My kids are still doing their virtual school, so I've got a lot of spare time this morning, and because my husband's handling it today. And so I thought we'd just take a quick walk around at Beach Club and see what this resort's all about. So when you enter in the main gate, you end up going through some parking over here, and then you walk across the bridge, which is gorgeous, by the way, to enter into the main lobby right here. One thing that I wanted to point out while we were standing here is that Beach Club is a DVC, Disney Vacation Club resort. So the blue sections here in front of us are the regular Beach Club, and then when you turn to your left, hopefully you'll be able to see it here on this camera, but these buildings are more teal, and those indicate that those are Beach Club villas. So Cape May is a character breakfast, but it is actually closed right now. But this is what the inside of the restaurant looks like. I just love the bright colors of these hallways. Like, not bright necessarily, but like, I don't know, is bright the right word I'm looking for? It just makes everything feel so open and spacious. Here's another view into Cape May. Coming from Cape May, you can enter the hallway and you will see Martha's Vineyard Lounge, which again is closed right now. It doesn't open until 4. I've actually not heard a whole lot about this lounge, and we haven't visited here, so you guys let me know what it's like if you've been here. I just exited the doors from Martha's Vineyard's Lounge, and you can see Stormalong Bay, which we'll get a little bit of a closer look at here in a little bit. Stormalong Bay, if you don't know, is reportedly the best pool on property. It's actually technically classified as a water park and is large enough to have its own lazy river. And then as you come around the corner, probably the most well-known of all the restaurant locations here at Beach Club is Beaches and Cream. We have not been here since it's been remodeled and made much larger, which was sorely needed. They also have a to-go window, and here are some of the things that are available. We tried the kitchen sink when we were here. We failed spectacularly. I'll have to insert some pictures and video here in a little bit. But it looks fantastic from the outside. Let's see if we can get a look of the newly remodeled Beaches and Cream. And a nice reflection of the pool. Ah, here's the menu for Beaches and Cream. Something they don't have here, which they had before, which was the tomato soup, which is what I had last time we were here, and it was so good. I'm actually really sad that that's gone. But the prices are not bad. Right outside Beaches and Cream, you can see that again, the wall color changes. You go from the blue of Beach Club to the more tan cream color of Yacht Club. And they are sister locations, kind of like Swan and Dolphin, but like literally connected. All right, let's go take a look at the pool. So like I said, this pool is humongous. There are several little like inlet areas. It is a sand bottom pool, so you can play with the sand a little bit. I had to remind my children several times not to throw sand at each other. And has one of, if not the coolest slides on property. We'll go check that out. And there's another view of the pool. Like, I can't get over it. You'll see signs like this at most every Disney resort pool, and it's not really highly enforced, but here it really kind of is, because so many people want to come to this pool, specifically because it's so large and kind of awesome. Can't talk about a pool without the accompanying pool bar. Here at Beach Club, it is Hurricane Hannah's. And here is that slide I was talking about. You actually go from the pool over here, across, up those stairs, and then slide down through a tunnel before you end up back in the main pool. I rode it twice last night with my daughter. It's fantastic. Adults, just a heads up, maybe sit up after you come out of the tunnel. It hurts your back a little bit less. So we've kind of come full circle now. Earlier, this is the lobby directly in front of us, and we took a right out of the lobby. And now we're gonna head back in, and you'll see that these are more of the standard Beach Club rooms here in the blue. So let's head back towards the lobby. I think this is one of the most stunning, like, walk up views you can get, don't you? Good morning. Back into the lobby. Typically, you would pick up your morning like quick service here at the Beach Club Marketplace, but it is also currently down. So people that are staying here at Beach Club are using the solarium for their quick breakfast needs and any other kind of grab and go items.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
In the solarium, you will head straight into the DVC section of the Beach Club villas. And again, you see that color change on the villas themselves. The first time I saw this statue was at night, and I actually thought it was like really beautiful, and it is, don't get me wrong, but something about her eyes really freaked me out. What about y'all? All right, let's head into the villas, which is where we're staying on this trip, by the way. We aren't DVC members, but we rented directly through Disney. Oh, that hair felt good. Good morning. The breezeway, you have this lovely little lobby area. I love that picture so much. And when you exit these doors, you're greeted directly with a quiet pool, again specific to the DVC section. This is the drawing room, which is just kind of a family relaxation area. I have a place for a pool, but I'm not sure if it's open right now. All right, so we're back in the room now, and I'm gonna insert a room tour right here. All right, so this is our room. We are at the Beach Club Villas, so the DVC side, and we rented a 1-bedroom villa. So I'm gonna kind of show you around. This is, if you're coming in the entrance, you're faced with that mirror. And then you walk into the living space with a little breakfast table. I love how they've arranged the plates there. And then you've got a couch that pulls out into a bed. Say hello, family.
Hello,
We've already relaxed and had a snack. And then you've got the rest of the little living room area with your TV and walks out to a balcony. I don't know how to open this door again. There we go. So you can walk out on the balcony, two little chairs, and we are overlooking one of the quiet pools. Coming back in, you'll see from the living room area, we've also got a small kitchen. Right, this is really awesome. With a refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, coffee maker, dishwasher. So you have to keep in mind that this is the DVC side, so it is meant to be a little more homey than it would be otherwise. So that's when you get the nice kitchen. All right, so walking from the kitchen, hello random kid in the bathtub. Zachary. You walk into the master bedroom where you have got a large bed.
And Zachary laying
and another Zachary, another TV, and while it's not a balcony, you do get another nice window with the
another meal
overlook of the pool from this room. And this is room 308, if anybody's wondering.
Another chair.
Also have a nice desk with a phone and lamp.
Another mirror.
A nice mirror. Yes, thank you, Zachary. And then you walk into the bathroom, which I really, really love. So you have this large tub in case you want to soak after a long day in the parks, and the way my feet are feeling after I've been to Epcot, that might feel nice. And sink with another nice mirror. And that room in there has just like extra supplies and like a
vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, vacuum cleaner, another little extra closet. That's where the ironing board is and that sort of thing. Then you walk in here and you have a nice stand-up shower, another sink, and then the toilet's in there. And then you can also either exit from this door or back through this door.
Which is beautiful.
So yeah, we're big fans. Big fans, right, May? Big fan. Good. Zachary just reminded me that I forgot a room. You have a nice little washer and dryer in case you want to do your own laundry. Say thanks and bye.
Bye.
And yeah, we're kind of sad to be checking out a beach club tomorrow. We've really enjoyed it so far. We picked it because we needed kind of a relaxed kind of stay this time, and this certainly fit the bill. We love it. I think we will definitely return. Let us know down in the comments if you have stayed at beach club before, if it's on your bucket list, what your thoughts are. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see y'all next time. Bye.